Jiahua machine, 3-axis Aluminium CNC Milling Machine with rotation, JH03-300A. Equipped with 3-axis end milling system for precise and efficient processing. CNC control panel for easy and accurate operation. Ability to feed multiple profiles at once, improving productivity. Automatic clamping system for secure holding of profiles during machining. High precision, fully automated end milling system for consistent and accurate results. Machine dimensions: length 2200 millimeters, width 1400 millimeters, height 7760 millimeters. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.